The lost files from Thailand. I'm really hating myself that it took me 4 years to realize I never edited this footage. Shout out to my wife. Back in 2017, we went to Thailand for a honeymoon and she let me do a bunch of car stuff. The footage that you're about to watch, we met up with my friend Oak from Oak Club. He organized a Honda meet at a Burger King parking lot and the cars that came out were sick. The quality of the builds were top notch. Thailand is known for a lot of fake parts, but the cars that came out to this meet, everybody had authentic JDM parts. Unfortunately, I wasn't vlogging back then, so I took more pictures than photos on that trip. So you're gonna see the footage that I took at the Honda meet, and then after, I'm gonna have a photo reel of a bunch of pictures that I took.
ถีบกระจกพี่มา2 ปีแล้ว Hondas are out heavy tonight, yo. A lot of sick cars. Woo.
gentlemen, welcome to Kok Phuket Thai Boxing Muay Thai.
But outside of the meet is where you see a lot of cars with a lot of fake parts. But that's the thing to know about Thailand. They modify everything out there. Scooters, buses, ambulances, you name it. They modify everything out there. And it's mostly because there's a lot of fake parts out there that they're buying for cheap. We also went to Phuket, Thailand, Patong Beach. And this is a resort area. Pretty cool. The way to get around there is riding in these little modified vans that they're cut out, custom. I got to find out what they actually call them out there. A lot of fake parts on them, but the way that they modify them, it's pretty cool. A lot of fake T37 wheels, which is why you see T37s on the most random things out there.